of meteorological data rules out any known weather phenomena capable of causing this kind of sound. Scientists desperate for a natural explanation discover that the phenomenon seems to coincide with the Aurora Borealis. The northern lights usually erupt as a response to intense cosmic radiation bombardment. NASA launches a fleet of 5 probes called Themis to investigate the aurora. The probes discover that violent solar bombardments can snap the invisible lines of Earth's protective magnetic field. And the severed lines slingshot powerful bursts of cosmic energy toward Earth. Mission scientist Vasilis Angelopoulos calls this phenomenon a spacequake.